Elon Musk-led group reportedly making a $97.4 billion bid to control OpenAI.
The battle over AI supremacy just took a dramatic turn. Elon Musk has made a staggering $97.4 billion offer to take control of OpenAI, the company behind ChatGPT. But instead of backing down, Sam Altman fired back with a sarcastic counteroffer.
OpenAI Sam Altman has now responded in a tweet saying, "No thank you, but we will buy Twitter for $9.74 billion.
Offering to buy Twitter for just $9.74 billion, a fraction of what Musk originally paid. This isn't just a business deal, it's a full-scale war with lawsuits, social media feuds, and a $500 billion AI infrastructure project that could change everything. So, what's really happening? Is this about AI ethics, corporate power struggles, or Musk's latest takeover attempt? Let's break it down. OpenAI was co-founded by Elon Musk and Sam Altman in 2015 as a nonprofit, aiming to develop AI for the benefit of humanity. Back then, the mission was clear: transparency, open-source research, and prioritizing safety over profit. But Musk left around 2018 to 2019, and under Altman's leadership, OpenAI transformed into a for-profit powerhouse. Then came the ChatGPT revolution in 2022. OpenAI's valuation skyrocketed, and now Musk and a group of investors have made a $97.4 billion offer to buy out OpenAI's controlling nonprofit entity. This move comes as OpenAI is reportedly in talks for a massive $40 billion investment from SoftBank, pushing its valuation up to $300 billion. But Altman isn't interested. He publicly dismissed the bid, replying on X, formerly Twitter, "No thanks, but we'll buy Twitter for $9.74 billion if you want." A clear jab at Musk's $44 billion Twitter acquisition in 2022. Musk didn't hold back either, calling Altman a swindler and scam Altman, even sharing an old clip of him testifying before Congress. Beyond the insults, this fight is about the future of AI. Musk argues that OpenAI has abandoned its original open-source mission, becoming just another corporate AI monopoly. In 2023, he sued OpenAI, claiming it prioritized profit over public good. Meanwhile, Musk also founded xAI, his own AI company, aiming to rival ChatGPT and Google's Gemini. Musk taking over OpenAI could mean merging it with xAI, potentially creating the most powerful AI company on the planet. However, legal experts say OpenAI's board must justify any sale at fair market value, which means rejecting Musk's offer could trigger more lawsuits. Regulators in California and Delaware are watching closely. Meanwhile, OpenAI is tied to Project Stargate, a $500 billion AI infrastructure plan backed by SoftBank, Oracle, and foreign investors. Even former President Trump endorsed it, calling it the biggest AI investment in history. Musk remains skeptical, questioning if OpenAI even has the funds to pull it off. Musk's strategy might be to stall OpenAI's $40 billion fundraising, driving up its valuation, or forcing Altman to make defensive moves. Some analysts speculate Musk simply wants to slow OpenAI down rather than outright buy it. Altman, on the other hand, insists that OpenAI's structure makes a Musk takeover impossible, ensuring its mission remains intact. So, what happens next? Will Musk regain control and push OpenAI back to open-source principles? Will Altman secure funding, cementing OpenAI as the AI leader? Or will this power struggle just be an entertaining sideshow while ChatGPT continues to evolve? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Are you Team Musk, Team Altman, or just here for the drama? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned to AI Decoded for more updates on the biggest AI war in history.